I'm Mita Basu from Key Art and Design. So today I have come with the form filling video. My office will do the form filling video, but I just wanted to introduce the video, so I came here. And plus, as you know already, maybe with the my older videos, that NID forms have come out, and NID exam is on 24th December, and also the form filling last date is 1st December. With the late fees you can apply till 3rd December. So why to wait for the application till the last date? Because in my few past, I have actually seen that students who are going for last date actually could not fill properly form, or there will be so much glitch because everybody is that time filling the form. So please don't wait till end. Right now you have lot of time to fill the form, and yes, there will be some or the other problem with the documents and every other things. So you should first collect your documents which is required. We have already made a video, you can see that video also. As all the things which is important in the video is the essay which is written for why you want to join NID or something. This type of questions are there, so that also you can write, and then when you're filling the form, you can fill that form properly. So I think now as follows, you will get the form filling video. So please see it properly and fill it as we have instructed you. So, and if you have any other problem, you can WhatsApp me in my number, any form filling problem, or you can even WhatsApp me for if you want to go for crash course. We have started our NID crash course because as you know, there is no time and NID is important. So to crack NID, it is too difficult, so you need to have lot of guidance. So we are here and we are giving online offline both classes, so you can join our classes. You can WhatsApp me in this number. So now my office will take over and do the video.
Go to the Google, search NID and click on admission. Once you click on the link, this page will appear on the main screen, and now click on sign up option. Once the sign up option appears on the main screen, then you have to choose the program you want to study. Then select your nationality. Next, select the category you belong to. After that, you have to select if you are applying for PWD category or not. Then select your date of birth. Just for the information, if you are above 20, you are not eligible to apply for the Bachelor of Design. Next, fill in your full name as per your 10th class mark sheet. First, your first name and middle name if you have any, and at last the last name, which is your surname. Next, you have to select your gender. Next, fill your email address. Also make sure this is your official email address or it is active for at least 1 year. Then fill your parents' email address. To make sure it's correct, rewrite the parents' email address. Next, fill your mobile number and your parents' mobile number. Also, make sure these both numbers are valid and correct, because all the information regarding the course will be notified on these numbers. Select yes or no if you have any relative or acquaintance working in NID. Next, select how did you come to know about the admission at NID. At last, create a password and then re-enter the password. Make sure you remember it because it will be required when you log in again. Then click on Get OTP. The OTP has been sent to the candidate's phone number and email address. Write down the OTP in the middle box where OTP has been asked. After submitting the OTP, a registration form appears on the screen. Please check all the details and click on Proceed to Login. After that, a login form will appear on the screen. Fill in this form by entering your email address, date of birth, and password that you have created earlier. Once you fill all the details, click on to Submit option. Before proceeding to the main application form, please check the details above. Now, select the center where you want to give the exam. Next, you have to fill your place of birth, district, and at last, state. Next, you have to write your father's name. Next, write down your mother's name. Next, select the appropriate annual income of your family and blood group. Next, write down your present address. Name of the city, pin code, country, and state. Next, write your permanent address. Make sure if your permanent address is same as your present address, tick on the box mentioned above. Next come the education details. Write down the board of your last qualifying exam. Mention the stream, your school name. Mention whether you have passed the exam or still appearing. Next, write the year of passing. Write down the marking scheme, whether it is in grade, percentage or GPA. At last, write the percentage, grade or GPA you got in your last qualifying exam. Next, write down why you have chosen NID Bachelor's Design program. Next, write down How do you think the course will help your academic plans and career ambition? In the last section, please write a brief statement about yourself, including details of your interests, hobbies, etc. Make sure you do not exceed the word limit mentioned in each question. Now, here we come to the end of the application process, where you have to upload your passport size photograph and your signature. Now click on Save and proceed to payment and submit the application fee to confirm your registration.
So I think after seeing this step-by-step form filling video, it will be easy for you to fill the form. I think now you can now fill the form. If you have any problem filling the form or any other problem, you can WhatsApp me in this number and write your name, your state, and give me WhatsApp message and write anything related which you want to ask me, and then I will answer your questions. And if you want to join our classes, then also you can WhatsApp me. We are doing online, offline both the classes, and crash course are going on. And those who now, of course, it is the high time to start your preparation, because there is only only 2 months are left. Now 2 or 3 months are left, because it is September almost like ending, then October, November and December. So there are 3 months almost left, and so in this time you need to improve your skill, improve your timing, and improve your creativity. So this I will help you in. So of course I am doing my own classes are taken by myself, and we take both theory and practical classes. So those who want to join, WhatsApp me. So I think this video is very important for all NID students who are going to fill the form this year. So like and share this video. Those who are coming first time in this channel, subscribe. Again, we will meet in the next video with more information about NID NIFT UCEED. So bye for today.